Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my video for the AeroGarden 360. This is really cool hydroponics. I picked this up so that I could do some winter gardening, and it is just a blast seeing these things grow. I got the heirloom cherry tomatoes that I bought with this, and then of course it comes with the gourmet herb seed pod kits as well. So I got some 3 cherry tomato plants over here. I got some basil, and then I have the mint in the back and some parsley right here. Now the parsley takes a little bit more time, and so is the mint. But these tomato plants, we're looking about 3 weeks or so, and these things are coming up nicely. The basil's coming in pretty nicely. In fact, I just had to trim this down. So a little bit about this whole system. You have the adjustable light disc at the top. There's a button back here that allows you to lift this and raise it. So it'll give plenty of room for those tomato plants when they get a little taller. You have your plant food indicator. When this was red and flashing, it will indicate that you need to add more plant food, which they supply in each one of these seed kits. It's pretty easy to measure. You can put in 2 capfuls every time it's needed, or you can use the little measuring guide here that they provide, and it's 8 milliliters. So and where do you add that? You add that right in here at the top. There's a little cavity here. You can add that right in there, and then it also gives you an indication line on where to add the water to as well. And if we get a little closer, you can see some of those roots down in there, which is crazy, right? The roots are working away, helping these things grow. The other thing too, if the water level gets low and you forget to fill it, this will turn on and let you know you need to add more water to it. And then the light timer, you can manually turn this on and off, but the cool thing is this has a built-in timer. So as soon as you plug it in, the timer starts. And I think it'll run for like 12 to 15 hours or something like that before it turns off automatically. So the cool thing is I just long pressed, turned it on for, in the morning so that it runs in the morning and it turns on at a set time. And then it just runs the cycle from there. So overall, I'm super happy with this. It's pretty simple to get started. Now, there is some long-term maintenance when it comes to taking care of the roots, detangling them later on when they get a little larger. And you will have to probably change out the water every now and then, but it is pretty cool that you can set up your own winter gardening system here and or just, if you're in a tight space, you don't have a lot of land to use, you can use this in your apartment and be growing fresh vegetables at your plate. The cool thing is I also have a salad kit and was using that as well. And check this out, just with a couple weeks, I've already gotten plenty of green leaf and red leaf lettuce. Got some dill here. I mean, this is just fantastic, and it's a super fun way to garden and get fresh vegetables that yeah, you haven't put any chemicals on it or anything. It's just grown right out of the water you supplied to it, and the plant food that you've provided. It's super fun. I hope this video review helps you in your decision to picking up one of these. Thanks so much for watching.